This is a section of the lens that rotates to allow the photographer to focus the image. Enable motorized zoom that follows you to change the focal length in real time as you shoot. Aperture rings on lens allows to the photographer to control the aperture within the lens. The depth of field is indicated by the area between the depth of field scale lines below the distance scale. The numbers on the scale are aperture settings. Stabilization is a feature used in some digital cameras to reduce blurring of image due to vibration while taking pictures. A normal lens, also called a standard lens, is a lens with the focal length between 35 mm to 50 mm. The focal length of standard lenses are most similar to how human eyes see the world. Wide-angle lens has a focal length of 35 mm or shorter, which gives you a wider field of view. The wider your field of view, the more the scene you'll be able to see in the frame. Telephoto lens is a long focus lens that allows photographers to utilize a focal length that is in effect shorter than the lens physical length. Macro lens is an optic that is designed to have a very short minimum focus distance to facilitate close-up photographs. Lens is an SLR or DSLR lens that offers a different focal length for the photographer to select from. Spherical aberration occurs when incoming light rays pass through lenses with spherical surfaces and focus at different points on the camera sensor. Aberration, also known as color fringing, is a color distortion that creates an outline of unwanted color along the edges of objects in a photograph. Prism is an optical aberration that occurs when rays lying in two perpendicular planes on the optical axis have different foci. This causes blur in one direction that is absent in the other direction. Aperture of field is present when the sharpest image is formed not on a flat plane but on a curved surface. Distortion describes a type of distortion wherein lines that are straight in real life appear to curve inwards, like the walls of a barrel. A good way to check for distortion is to look for parallel lines in the area you are shooting and see if lines appear parallel in your image. Distortion. Distortion as an optical instrument or television receiver in which image of straight lines appears to be curved when proximity toward the axis. Touch distortion is a complex form of distortion that has elements of both barrel and pincushion distortion. Touch distortion makes straight vertical lines appear to curve inward towards the center of the frame and back outwards at the corner. Flare or optical flare, a lens of is an image forming light that is scattered in the lens system after it hits the front elements of the lens. Thus, photography is considered as any type of situation that has a lack of available light. This could be well considered right after sunset or in a room with only the light source. Low light environment are where you can see a small amount of detail in your eyes but aren't completely dark.